Hello guys. So today we're gonna do a sound test with the Poco M3. So I'm on No Copyright Sounds page. I'll link it down below if you want to check out their page. Some really good music there on their YouTube channel. So we're gonna try the sound test of the Poco M3 speakers. So let's select the first song and we will see how it goes. Okay, wait, hold up. Okay. Okay, so sound-wise, pretty good. Speakers does have some sound stage, some depth to it. Okay, so we're gonna try the bass test, right? This song doesn't have much bass, so I'm actually curious how it would sound in terms of bass. So let's go ahead and try the bass test. Let's go and try. Let's search for bass test, and then hit on the search button, and there it is. Let's search it. Okay, so let's see, check out the volume a bit. Yeah, the bass kind of sucks. I can't really hear the thumpiness of the bass on this device. So bass wise, you guys know that it sucks, right? But overall the speakers are pretty okay. Sound the Poco M3 does sound pretty alright. Okay, so I'm gonna connect my speakers here. I've got it set up, and yeah, we're gonna connect the speakers to the Poco M3, and we are just gonna test how the speaker sounds, because I did bought these and I did set up, but I didn't really test it using the mobile phone. So we're gonna test it using the Poco M3 as a source. Why not? Let you guys have an impression of the creative Pebble V2. So I'm gonna play the same song from just now, and you guys will listen and you guys judge for yourselves. How does it sound? Okay, let's go. Okay, so that sound, I think, quite similar to the Poco M3 speaker compared to the if you connect an external speaker to the phone. Now let's try the bass test and see whether bass improved on the external speaker, which is the Creative Pebble V2, compared to the Poco M3's speaker. So, oh, pretty interesting. There's actually a NCS bass boosted sound. So we'll just hit that NCS bass boosted. Let's hit on it. Okay, so it is really good. The bass is really good. Okay, I'll let it have a run again so you guys can listen for yourselves. So this is the bass part. Okay, I think that's enough runtime. So definitely, if you amp the M3 up with the speaker, definitely the creative speakers does have good bass and rich sound. Definitely improves the sound over the Poco M3 speakers. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Do let me know what do you think of this kind of sound tests, because first time I did try the speaker sound test. Previously I was reviewing some of the earphone sound. So do let me know what you guys think of these sound tests. And yeah, do let me know which one do you think sounds better, the Poco M3 speakers or when connected to the Creative Pebble V2 speakers. Both of these I did unbox, the phone as well as the speaker, and we are connecting both of it together. So let me know which one do you think better, either from the phone or from the speaker. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.